how to turn off or deactivate virtual camera on OBS. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you will be able to hide this virtual camera over here away from your OBS screen. So when you select the virtual capture device over here or video capture device on your sources, you will notice that there will be an option over here, deactivate. So if you click on deactivate, it will remove that just like this on your screen. And if you click on activate, it's going to pop up once again. Now, another solution or another method here is that you can click on the icon over here beside the name of the video capture device, and that will hide it as well, just like that. Or you can delete it entirely by simply clicking on delete on your keyboard and clicking on yes. And through that, you will be able to remove the virtual camera or the virtual camera device of OBS. And if you want to add it back again, you can simply click on add source, video capture device, and you will be able to do it again over here, OBS Virtual Camera. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.